in my books, you have to actually immerse yourself in the culture and actually really see the country and what it has to offer.
There are travelers, and then there's Stephen Fenech. The photographer, writer, and filmmaker has visited every single country on Earth, from Afghanistan to Zimbabwe. He has traversed the globe with his camera in tow, capturing wildlife in their natural habitat and documenting a kaleidoscope of cultures. The Torontonian caught the travel bug in high school.
I was in a world issues class, and the teacher made these amazing presentations, and we would watch these like films of different countries in Africa and Asia. And it was so visual. It's such a visceral experience for me. I wanted to have a firsthand experience of that same thing. I didn't want to just see it as an observer through a screen. I wanted to actually experience it.
And experience it he did. It's taken him 36 years to visit 196 countries. It's an achievement that very few people can claim, but for Stephen, it was a dream that he refused to give up on, finishing in Nauru in 2023. Despite visiting so many incredible places, Stephen does have a few favorites when pressed. Bhutan, the Himalayan kingdom beside Nepal, is a standout.
They measure progress in Bhutan in terms of gross national happiness. And the whole country is protected, like in terms of all the animals, indigenous animals are protected, and the same forest that's been covering it for millions of years, it's never been cut.
And then there's Antarctica with its stark beauty and otherworldly landscapes.
Nature is on such grand display down there, and it's completely untouched.
Fenech has a multitude of fascinating stories behind the photos, including the time that a baby mountain gorilla sat in his lap until the mother grunted that it was time to go.
I grabbed a picture of the mother with the baby on her back, and that's an image, I have that framed in my house.
He's been to New Zealand, Australia, and Base Camp Everest twice. But when it comes to his idea of perfection, there's no place like home.
My favorite place in the entire world, after having seen the entire world, is up in the Georgian Bay Islands, Huronia. And if I'm going to be anywhere, that's it.
Stephen Fenech's story is one of determination, passion, and a love for the world around us. He was inspired once by a presentation in high school, and now he gives back by visiting schools himself. He has this piece of advice for the students who are interested in travel.
Get off the couch and get out there, because experience is like putting money in a bank, but it's money that just keeps accruing interest, and no one can ever take it away from you. It's yours to keep for life.